If your Kia Sportage backup camera is showing a solid blue screen, you are dealing with a common signal loss issue. In over 85% of cases, this blue screen indicates the head unit is powered on but cannot detect a video signal. Before you buy a new camera, let's walk through the diagnostic steps to rule out a simple software glitch. Start by using a paperclip to hit the hard reset button on your infotainment dash to clear any software hangs. If a reset fails, the most likely culprits are a corroded connector or a total internal short in the camera lens. You will need to pop the interior tailgate panel to inspect the wiring harness for signs of green corrosion. If the camera is dead, decide between a perfect fit OEM replacement or a much cheaper aftermarket alternative. A dealer repair can exceed $500, but a DIY swap with an aftermarket part usually costs under $100. When installing the new unit, always apply dielectric grease to the connector to prevent the same failure from happening again. You only need basic hand tools and a set of plastic trim pry bars to complete this job safely. Remember to test the feed with the hatch closed to make sure no wires are getting pinched in the hinges. That is how you fix the blue screen on a Kia Sportage. Stay safe and happy driving.